Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You will begin by preparing and launching an elevated command prompt so commands can run with full privileges. Once you have administrator access, confirm your backups are complete and disconnected. Now open command prompt as administrator. This avoids permission errors during reset. Next, run reagent/info to check recovery configuration, and if disabled, use reagent/enable. Finally, type system reset factory reset to start the reset UI, or system reset cleanc for a thorough clean install. Hit enter to continue. Once the system reset command opens the reset interface, make clear choices. Choose keep my files for minimal change or remove everything for a full wipe. When prompted, pick either local reinstall if recovery files exist or cloud download if you want a fresh image. Cloud uses bandwidth but ensures clean files. After confirmation, Windows stages files and begins the reset. Make sure the laptop stays plugged into power. Monitor progress through automatic restarts and do not interrupt the sequence until Windows finishes setting up. After reset completes, you will walk through the out-of-box setup and reconnect your Microsoft account if desired. Once in Windows, run Windows Update, reinstall drivers, and restore files from your backup. If the system does not boot or shows recovery errors, reboot to command prompt in safe or win and run sfc/scano to repair system files. Then bootrec/fixmber, bootrec/fixboot, and bootrec/rebuild to repair boot records. This single troubleshooting sequence resolves most post-reset boot failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.